'tis time to take this off again. Now, is this a good makeup? No, you can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow, that kind of helps me see though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow. Like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh, there's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. How did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is?
It is time to take these off again.
Good job. You're doing great. I just know how much you love ripping off liquid latex from your skin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Can I pull the teeth out, though? I don't think so.
Can I?
Nice. Do you want to just, rip off the smile at the same time?
I need to.
Okay, ready to scream in 3, 2, 1.
I can't.
I just look
stuck.
You got it. Do you need help? No. Think of it like waxing. It's just skincare.
No, it's not.
3, 2, 1. Ah! You got it. Good job. High five. Nice. All right, we still have some pieces left. Ah! Fast. Nice. And we just know how much you guys love nightmare fuel. And just like that, we are mostly clean. We still need to go shower. But have a good day. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's off. And I smeared this part, but I don't care because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, I had fun with it. Oh, God, that looks so weird. Come out. Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Trapophobia warning, y'all. Well, hello, you little freaks. I cannot talk once again. Thank you very much for coming to my page. Anyways, it's time to take this off again. And oh dear God, I hate wax so much. I am looking forward to taking this off. Boom. Leave. Be gone. Wax. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Wow, so cute. Doon. it just pops right off. Ah, it's so nice. There's some little pieces here as well. Boom. Leave me alone. The best feeling in the world. I'm gonna leave my contact on because I want to see if my boyfriend will notice that I have 2 different eye colors. I don't think he will. But either way, you guys have an amazing day. Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I look so good. I don't want to take this off. I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change, and then I got really sad, and I ended up eating, and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Ah. Well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I will speak quietly because it's currently midnight and everyone is asleep. I still can't talk. What's new? And guess what, you guys? I started a YouTube channel and I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube. Boom. The link will be on my profile. Now for some good stuff. Let's get to it. Yes. Ah, that's nice. Let's take this monstrosity off. Not gonna lie, but monstrosity is a hard word to say. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow! Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry. It's me, Mario, and we're gonna be taking off this makeup. So I actually have an event that I have to go to. Not only do I have to take this off, but I have to put more makeup on. Mario would slay harder though. Do I just wear this? Be honest. This looks crazy from far away. Well, hours of hard work, gone. I'm actually really sad about this. Let's take the mustache. That came off really easy. Goodbye, mustache. The mouth. I think this look turned out really cool. I haven't done any like illusion type makeup looks in a while, but I had a lot of fun doing it. More to come, so if you have ideas, let me know. And let's say goodbye to the eyeball. Look at his iris dripping down my face. Wipe away those tears. His little banana eyebrow. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. I may be going blind. My contact has so much paint in it. My eyebrows have been through so much recently. Full-length video of how I did this on my YouTube channel, by the way. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.
Take off my makeup with me. Gotta get this beautiful flower crown out in this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long, or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower, and I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here. I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah. Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Well, hey, what's up, you guys? It's time to take this off again. Wait, let me turn on the light. Turn on the light. Yeah. Do I look beautiful? Grimace is having the greatest birthday of all times. Also, this is so uncomfortable and I can't see or breathe or hear. I have no senses left. I want them back. Let's go. So, before I take this off, I want to get my cat's reaction to this makeup. Oh. Are you scared? He doesn't like it. Okay, well, that's a sign to take it off. I don't know. I think it's fair to start with the eyebrows. Oh, nice. Okay, what next? Let's go for the eyes so I could see. Oh my god! I feel like this is more terrifying than, than it was with the eyes. But, okay, this part has come off pretty much all the way. Oh. Fast, fast, fast. 1, 2, 3. I forgot what air smells like. But imagine someone knocking on the door right now and me going to open it like this. Like, wait. Knock, knock, knock. Hi, yes, hello. Have you been trying to reach me about my car's extended... Oh my god. Extended warranty? No, thank you. No. Okay, goodbye. Okay, I want to keep taking this off because my ears hurt. They're somewhere in there. Okay, this is all liquid latex. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah, okay, that hurts. Wait, 1, 2, 3. It's been so long. Ah. The longer I have this makeup on my face, the less brain cells I have. Okay, at least a part of my eyebrow is still there. I'm just procrastinating on taking the neck off because I know that's gonna hurt. Okay, do the sideburns. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's yarn in my eyes and mouth and nose. Okay, this is all bald cap. Oh, never mind. Gonna be selling this on my OnlyFans? I'm just kidding. Can you imagine? I do want to free my ears. Oh, that's nice. I really don't know how to approach the neck. I feel like it's gonna come out in patches or with my skin. Like, it's on there. At least there's progress. It's just taking so long. Okay, I think I got most of it. Did you miss the nightmare fuel, you guys? I did. I'm gonna go shower. Hopefully my skin is not too stained after this.